What if a simple upgrade could make rainy drives quieter, fresher, and far more enjoyable? Today, we're revealing the top 7 high-quality aerodynamic window deflectors from Mazda CX-5 2020 that can transform your daily driving experience. Welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned to discover the smartest options, and check the links in the description to grab your favorite one. A few millimeters of plastic can completely change how your Mazda CX-5 feels during a stormy drive. Sounds unlikely, until you experience it. Many owners crack their windows for fresh air, only to invite rain droplets, wind noise, and that annoying cabin turbulence. It's a small frustration that repeats itself every day. These 2017 to 2025 tape-on rain guards tackle that problem head-on. The custom-shaped design follows the CX-5's window lines neatly, creating a factory-like appearance while allowing ventilation during rain. Morning commutes become quieter. Parked vehicles stay cooler. Even light showers no longer force you to seal the cabin shut. There's another benefit worth noting. Installation is straightforward, avoiding the complexity some in-channel vent visors can introduce. Compared with bulkier universal deflectors, these shades look more integrated and less distracting from the vehicle's styling. The downside? Proper surface preparation is important before applying the adhesive, and removal later requires patience. For drivers researching the best rain guards for Mazda CX-5 model 2020, this upgrade brings everyday comfort that reveals its value mile after mile. A few millimeters of open window can completely change a drive, until rain sneaks in and ruins the moment. That's the frustration many Mazda CX-5 owners know all too well. Enter the Goodyear Shatterproof in-channel window deflectors. These visors are designed to let fresh air flow through the cabin while helping keep rain, wind noise, and road spray outside where they belong. Installation feels cleaner than many stick-on alternatives because the in-channel design integrates directly into the window frame for a more factory-style appearance. Now the practical part. Whether you're parked during a drizzle or driving through changing weather, you can crack the windows without constantly worrying about water entering the cabin. That everyday convenience quickly becomes something you appreciate. Compared with many tape-mounted rain guards, these offer a sleeker look and reduced risk of edge lifting over time. The trade-off? Installation may require a little extra patience during the initial fitment. For drivers researching the best rain guards for Mazda CX-5 model 2020, this option delivers comfort that quietly improves every journey, rain or shine. A surprising amount of road noise and rain intrusion enters a vehicle through slightly cracked windows, and most drivers don't notice it until a long trip exposes the problem. That's where these in-channel window rain guards for the Mazda CX-5 make an immediate difference. Picture a rainy morning. You want fresh air, but opening the window means water dripping inside. These vent visors solve that everyday frustration by creating a protective channel that lets air flow while helping keep rain out. The fit is impressively clean. Because they install inside the window channel, they look more integrated than many stick-on alternatives. The durable construction also gives them an edge over thinner deflectors that can feel flimsy after months of use. There are trade-offs. Installation requires patience, and some users may need a short adjustment period while the visors settle properly. For commuters, road trippers, and anyone researching the best rain guards for Mazda CX-5 model 2020, these offer practical comfort without changing the vehicle's sleek appearance. Sometimes the smallest upgrade transforms every drive that follows. A cracked open window during rain can turn a quiet drive into a noisy, damp mess. That's why these tape-on window visors for the 2017 to 2025 Mazda CX-5 immediately stand out. They solve a simple but frustrating problem. Fresh air without letting rain drip onto the armrest, controls, or seats. The smoke-tinted finish blends naturally with the CX-5's lines and adds a subtle factory-style appearance. Installation is straightforward. Clean the surface, align the visor, and apply the adhesive tape. No drilling required. On the road, the difference is noticeable. You can crack the windows during light rain, reduce wind buffeting at highway speeds, and keep the cabin more comfortable when parked in warm weather. Compared with in-channel rain guards, these tape-on visors are generally easier to install and less likely to interfere with window operation. The trade-off is that in-channel designs can sometimes look slightly more integrated. For daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and road trip enthusiasts searching for the best rain guards for Mazda CX-5 model 2020, this 4-piece set offers practical weather protection without making the vehicle feel modified. Sometimes the most appreciated upgrades are the ones that quietly improve every drive. A cracked open window during a rainstorm can turn a comfortable drive into an annoying mistake within seconds. That's exactly the problem these tape-on extra durable rain guards were built to solve. For many Mazda CX-5 owners, fresh air often comes with a trade-off. Let rain in, or keep the cabin sealed. These window deflectors create a practical middle ground. The 6-piece design follows the vehicle's lines nicely, giving the CX-5 a more finished appearance while helping reduce wind noise and keeping light rain outside. That means you can leave the windows slightly open on humid days without worrying about surprise weather. Compared with some in-channel visors, installation is quicker and less intimidating. Just clean, align, and apply. The downside? Tape-on styles rely heavily on careful installation, and some drivers may prefer the factory-look fitment of premium in-channel options. If you're researching the best rain guards for Mazda CX-5 model 2020, this set makes sense for commuters, road trippers, and anyone tired of choosing between ventilation and weather protection. Some upgrades shout for attention. This one quietly improves every drive. A cracked open window during a rainstorm can turn a peaceful drive into an instant regret. That's exactly the problem many Mazda CX-5 owners discover after one unexpected shower. Enter the Nightlight Window Rain Guards. At first glance, they seem simple. But spend a week with them, and their value becomes obvious. These vent visors allow fresh air to circulate while helping keep rain outside where it belongs. No more choosing between a stuffy cabin and water dripping onto your door panels. The fit is tailored for Mazda CX-5 models from 2017 through 2025, including the 2020 model many buyers specifically shop accessories for. Installation is straightforward, and the low-profile design blends naturally with the vehicle's lines. Compared with bulkier in-channel alternatives, these guards offer a cleaner appearance and quicker setup. The trade-off? Adhesive-mounted designs require careful placement the first time. They're especially useful for commuters, pet owners, and anyone who frequently parks outdoors. Sometimes the most appreciated upgrades aren't the ones you notice every day, they're the ones that quietly make bad weather feel like less of a problem. A cracked open window during a rainstorm sounds harmless, until you return to damp seats, foggy glass, and a cabin that smells like wet fabric. That everyday frustration is exactly where these extra durable window deflectors for Mazda CX-5 step in. First, the fit. Designed for 2017 to 2025 models, these tape-on visors follow the vehicle's window lines surprisingly well, giving the SUV a clean, factory-inspired appearance. Now the practical part. They allow fresh air to circulate while helping keep rain outside. That means less fog buildup, less trapped heat, and a more comfortable drive when weather conditions constantly change. Compared with some in-channel rain guards, installation is simpler and requires no window channel adjustments. The trade-off? Tape-on designs depend heavily on proper surface preparation for the strongest hold. Drivers searching for the best rain guards for Mazda CX-5 model 2020 will appreciate the 6-piece coverage and durable construction. They're especially useful for commuters, pet owners, and anyone who enjoys fresh airflow without inviting the weather inside. Some upgrades stay unnoticed. This one earns its place every rainy mile.